As a loyal fan of the 2016 Land Rover Discovery 4, all our other cars had adaptive cruise control, and today I added a set of adaptive cruise control to my Discovery 4. Let's take a look at the front bumper, where the original bracket is reserved. Install a bracket on one side, and then add a module on top. The original car has a reserved wiring harness. We can just plug it in. We remove the original car. The button's on the left side of the steering wheel are low end. There is no button. Let's take a look at the button here. There is an additional adaptive cruise control distance adjustment button. This is a high-end ACC button. The small car in the lower right corner of the instrument has stopped flashing, indicating thaw. TRACC has finished learning on the road. Then it can start normally. The speed is above 30 miles. Press the Set Plus button, and you can see that the speed cruise sign in the lower right corner of the instrument has been started, and then the follow car sign has also been started, indicating that we have locked the car in front, so we don't need to operate our feet here. We will follow the car in front. For example, if he is driving at 60 kilometers per hour and we are driving at 70 kilometers, we will never collide with him and will always follow him. But if he is 80, and if we are 70, we will be left behind by him over time. Then, if the target disappears, the little yellow car will also disappear. If we want to stay away from him, let's make the button on the left side of the steering wheel longer. You can see the distance. There are 4 bars in the middle of the meter. If we want to get closer to it, we will adjust it a little shorter, 2 bars per bar. Then we will speed up and chase him. This is the Land Rover Discovery 4's Adaptive Cruise Control OEM upgrade. We supply all the Jaguar Land Rover OEM spare parts upgrade kits with wiring harnesses and remote coding with the JetMaster tool, the JLR engineering tool via remote support. Learn more details at jlr-retrofit.com. Thank you.